Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate an EA account. All right, so first option right here, you gotta log in using your linked console account. Okay, but basically, when you go ahead over to signin.ea.com, and by the way, it could be any browser from your mobile device, console if you have one, or computer. Okay, so if this doesn't load, well, just go ahead and find sign in right here, EA. All right. Now in here, just basically click on Electronic Arts homepage, okay? And once that's done, go to the top, click on this profile icon, now sign in. So basically, when you go ahead and try to sign in with the same credentials, for example, you have the phone or email right here, click on next, and a code will be given to you via that email. You can just go ahead and use that code, put that in the pop-up where it's needed, and after that, your account will be reactivated, okay? Let's say you have forgotten, okay, your email and your password. Okay, so what do we do? Well, if you primarily play on console, you can regain access by using your linked platform. Let's say we have here, okay, just click on the three dots and you'll see Xbox, PlayStation, Steam here as well, or any other accounts. Okay, you could basically log into PlayStation right here. All you gotta do is just log into your PSN account. Okay, and after that, your account will be reactivated. Same as your Xbox account right here. Okay, just click on accept on signed in, and after that, you're good to go. Now, if you forgot your password, you're locked into this specific screen. What you can do, we have a separate video which is titled How to Reset an EA Account Password. You can go out and check it out on the channel, watch it, and your account will be recovered. Okay? Now, let's say your account was permanently banned, or if you no longer have access to the email address tied to it. Well, the only option that you have is to reach out directly to EA Help. That's how you activate an EA account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.